Hi juniors, this is just a short video to show you how to get to Canvas and how to plan your week. I reorganized my Canvas class to hopefully streamline it and make it a little easier to navigate. So what you're going to do, just find Hamilton, LA11 Fall, that's you. Going to go there. And there is my dog, Crumpet, the corgi, wearing a strawberry costume that Rainy made for him. So he is welcoming you, and then you will go to this module called Week 1 Welcome. So each week we're going to have this page. It's called Week at a Glance. So this is the first one. So you're just going to go there, and this shows you how to navigate through your week. So first thing you're going to do, make sure you receive and read the email from me to your school Gmail account. Hopefully you already did that. Check. Then I'm going to have you make a Flipgrid responding to a prompt about what you expect in class. And you'll just click right on that link there. It'll keep you inside Canvas, but it will give you that Flipgrid link that you can go to and record your short little video. All right, so when you get that done, go back home, look for Crumpet. There he is. And then back to our Week at a Glance. And y'all know how to do this. And then the first time we're going to meet as a class is on Tuesday. So the link for that, it's a Google Meet. It's right here. You're just going to click that when it's time. It'll take you into the meeting. We'll be there. And we're only going to be there for about 15 minutes. And we're going to meet at 11:30 because that is your class period. That's the regular time that when we get to be back together, we will meet in my classroom. So that's what we're doing here. But you're only going to be here for about 10-15 minutes. Not a big long thing. And during that time, I'll just kind of introduce everybody, talk about the year a little bit, you know, whatever. So the other thing you can start working on next week if you want to, you don't have to, is your theme song. And that's just a song that kind of represents you and where you are right now, how you're feeling. And so I just did a little sample one with me presenting it. You don't have to do it like this. I also did one that I did last year, and I did one that's just the presentation, not me talking about it. So all I'm asking you to do is make a slideshow that has these different slides on it, explaining your song. And we'll talk more about that. Okay. Then back to Week at a Glance. Then we're going to meet again on Thursday at about 11:30 for 15 minutes. Same thing, to follow up, answer questions, talk a little bit, and that'll be it for the first week. So I can't wait to see you guys, and I hope you have a great weekend, and we will hit the ground running next week. Bye.